guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, thanks for tuning in. My name's Breezy. The main thing about me that YouTube knows is I'm a medical student. But today I wanted to do something a little different because I'm a medical student and also just because I'm a human, I enjoy coffee. So it is currently pumpkin hoe season, right? Starbucks has already come out with the PSL and pumpkin cream cold brew for this year. End of August, fall time is coming, so I wanted to try to make the pumpkin cream cold brew coffee myself. So I bought some cold brew because I suck at making it myself, and I got all the ingredients from a recipe that I found on Google. I will link it below in the description box. I'm going to give it a shot, and then in the instructions it says to let the pumpkin cream sit overnight before you actually mix it into your coffee. So I will be doing that. I'll make the cream now, I'll record myself doing it, and give you guys all the ingredients, the recipe, whatever. And then tomorrow I will compare it to the real deal and see if it's worth a damn. So stick around if you like pumpkin and enjoy.
The next day.
Okay guys, it is time. We have our regular old pumpkin cream cold brew here, and then the homemade version. So right off the bat, look, the colors are similar. How exciting. Okay, so without swirling it up, I'm just gonna taste the regular. Not bad, kind of boring. Let's compare. Okay, so right off the bat, now y'all saw how much cream I poured. This is more pumpkin-y. I'm gonna stir it a little. I did pour a lot of cream, I think, but you know, guys, I like mine better. It's sweeter and it's pumpkin-ier. Perhaps if you ordered this with extra pumpkin cream, cold foam. This is bitter. This is overall just is way more mellow and tasty and definitely the winner. I don't want this anymore. I will not be buying this anymore. Cheaper, really, really easy and delicious, and I'm gonna make a big one so that I can drink it on my road trip. So, if you want to tweak it, add a freaking pump of vanilla, add as little or as much pumpkin cream as you want. I loved it. I think this is great, so I'm gonna keep using this in the future. So thanks for watching, guys. Try this out on your own. If you do, comment and tell me what you think. Maybe you will hate it, and I love it. So let's talk about it. Cheers, and have a great Friday and a great weekend. Bye, guys.